Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga class for balance. This will be a prop-free and an inversion-free class. Let's begin by resting back. So feel the stability of the earth underneath you. Notice how your in-breath is balanced by your out-breath. And when we practice balancing postures in our yoga class, they help to bring us into the present moment. And they also help us to find balance and harmony in our day-to-day life, that ever-moving balance. It's not something we arrive at, it's a journey, something we're always moving around. So you're going to roll over and come up onto all fours. And spread your fingers wide. You're going to exhale, round up through your back. And inhale, arch through your back. Exhale, round through your back. And inhale, arch through your back. And from here, you'll take your right hand forward and your left hand back. You can stay here, or you can lift them off the ground. You can stay here, or you can bring your opposite elbow and knee together. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bring them together. And then we'll switch sides, but first we'll do some more cat-cows in the center. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. And inhale, arch. And then switch sides. You can take your right leg to the back of the mat. The left hand forward. You can stay here. Or you can lift your arm and leg. You can stay here. Or you can bring your opposite elbow and knee together. Exhale and inhale. This is great for core strength and back strength. And balance. Okay, and then you're going to walk your hands back to your knees. Come up to standing, and you're going to turn to face the long end of your mat. So from here, you're going to take your right leg out to the side, lower your left hand down, and you're going to take your right arm over. You can stay here, or you can lift your leg off the ground. And then you can lower that down, and we'll switch sides. This time you'll take your left leg out to the side, lower your right arm down, take your left arm overhead. You can stay here, or you can lift your left leg off the ground. Great for strength, core strength, and balance. And then we'll come up, and we'll come all the way up to standing. Okay, from standing, we're going to do tree pose. So you'll stand on your left leg, turn your right toes out to the side. They can stay on the ground, or you can take your foot up your leg. The further up your leg you take your foot, the more challenging the balance is going to be. Bring your hands in front of your heart center. Again, if you want to take them overhead, the more challenging the balance is going to be. Focus on something that's not moving. If you want more of a balance challenge, you can move your head around from side to side. That's going to get your inner ear moving, and that will create more of a balance challenge. And there will always be movement in balance. That's normal. Just like balance is always a moving target in your life. Okay, so we'll release this side down. This time you'll stand on your right leg. Turn your left leg out to the side. And again, you can keep your toes on the ground, or you can pick it up and place it somewhere on your leg. Further up your leg, the more challenging this is going to be. Hands at your heart center or overhead. The further up you bring your hands, the more challenging the balance is going to be. Lift up nice and tall. And again, you're going to maybe turn your head side to side. That's going to add more of a balance challenge when you get your inner ear involved. And then we're going to do a modified version of Eagle's pose. So bring your feet right together. Bring your elbows together. And you're going to sit back. And you can lift your elbows and lower them. Take them to one side. Take your head to the other side. And we'll do that again. Lift, lower, side to side. And if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, you can keep your right foot on the ground, pick up your left foot, cross your leg over. And then we'll let this side out of your body. And we'll do that again. So you bring your elbows together, feet right together. You're going to sit down. And you can stay here, or you can try to stand on your left foot, even just lifting your left heel. That would be a balance challenge. Or you can pick that foot up off the ground and just cross the foot over. Okay? And then you're going to release that out of your body, and we're going to rest back for Shavasana. And for this Shavasana, we're just going to listen to the poetry of the forest. So give yourself a thumbs up for practicing this beginner yoga class for balance, and put "I am balanced" in the comments. Thank you so much for sharing this class with your friends and your family. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Remember, you can go to melissawest.com/begin to receive the entire beginner challenge, and that our members get an ad-free version of this beginner challenge in the video library and the 30-day challenge course in our video library. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our Pacific Ocean. May you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest, and may you be as strong as our mountains. Om Shanti. Namaste.